Hello there, doing another Clash Clans video again, just testing out that audio, seeing how this is gonna work, and just gonna do a quick another replay for fun. So let's check it out. To do this one, I'm gonna replay it, and yeah, enjoy the replay.
Kick it. Cannon kick it.
So that was the video for you. Hope you enjoyed, and yeah.